Good morning.
Oh, toys on the net.
Yeah, Coldie's out here. Come on, quickly. No, yep, up there, on the path. Up there on the path, Mazoni. Let's go to school. Blankie in your hole. Okay?
You don't need this is yours. What's that?
Come on.
Get in there.
Yep. Oh, hang on. See ya. Kiss, kiss. I'm on. Oh, wow. Beautiful. All right, come on.
Bye, me go Bye. Bye.
Come on, darling. Let's go home. Auntie's at home. Come on. Come on. Good morning, guys. I'm up. Just got back from dropping off Mazoni. Miyakota's just having some wheat bix. Is that yummy? Oh yeah, I guess it is. Did you have a good sleep? She slept in Mazoni's bed the whole night, which was good. It was kind of hard to get up this morning. Just turned off the heater inside because it was starting to warm up because this kitchen is super bright. But yeah, making myself, that's a tea, and make myself some honey toast because I feel like some toast with some honey. It's almost gone, it's getting there. Probably haven't even had it a week yet. Hasn't been a week yet. I'm having a tea. My floors look so nice and clean. Nice and clean. Oh, Auntie, it sounds like Auntie's here. I'm going to set the camera up somewhere. Set it up here. Yeah, my darling. No one wants it, so you can have it. Coffee for you, okay? Oh. If you didn't want it. Ooh. Sure. Your coffee, darling. Yeah. Here's your Elsa. Oh my god.
Pretty cool. And she gave it.
It's exactly how it was made. It's supposed to be made.
That's the braid. And when that goes in the sun, it changes blue.
Oh,
it's,
really?
The colours.
Oh no,
See?
it's changing.
Changing straight away. Goes like icicle. And I was like, oh no. Is that vlogging camera on?
Yeah.
Ah! You bitch! You set things up. Fuck you. Set things up all the time!
Coda, go Auntie! I hate taking pre-workout. Fruit punch. Fruit punch. I'd rather watermelon. Actually, I don't know. I just rather no pre-workout.
Yeah, I asked Chris, and he was like, gone. But then it's not good for dancing and controlling because you're like, you know, it's not good for balance. It's good for like, you know, and doing stuff. Nah.
Okay, we're just about to go into our workout. No, that's $2. I need that $2. Here, you can have this money. Just about to go into our PT session, and I'm going to do something really brave and ask if I can change the music.
Can you do it while I'm in the toilet, please?
Awkward! Music sucks. Okay, she plays DJ Havana Brown when we're working out.
Money.
Yeah, but
Can you please not swear at me? LOL. Huh?
And the main thing to when I work out, I want mean beats pumping, mean sounds. It's like going for a run and you got your headphones in your ears. That shit's blasting some mean music.
Yeah.
She's taking selfies. Oh, but it's a beautiful day today. Did I show you the weather?
Fucking hell! Imagine to take a selfie. You're recording me. What's worse, selfie or recording? Because that shit's gonna be on YouTube for the rest of my fucking life.
Nah, I don't know if I'm gonna ask her
Can
to
I
change
stop
music.
swearing? Oh my god.
I swear. Look at my Instagram, the 20 facts about me. I said I swear really bad, and it's really hard not to when I'm filming on camera.
Evie.
Especially in front of kids. Like,
Evie,
the kids are in the car.
Evie.
Sometimes I don't give a flying. But.
Come on, can you smile?
No.
Stuff your
Got rejected.
Stuff your
Oh, they're out. I guess we should go in.
No.
I need to go toilet.
I need to go to work.
I wonder if we're doing all over body, legs or arms, or can we do some ab work? No, actually I hate abs. Oh my god, I'm so weak in the abs. You'll never guess what. Flat tire. Fully flat. Called my local Bridgestone to see if they can just come out and just change the tire for me, and you know, I'll have to get them a new tire. So, because it's our car, and he was saying, oh, if you're just around the corner, and I am just around the corner, but I think this is too much around the corner. So, that's the spare tyre. Shannon reckons I can't do it. Well, he says I shouldn't do it. I know I can do it. But, yeah. Nothing worse actually. On the driveway.
Yeah, have you put it in the right spot?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Stay well away.
You got more muscles than me.
Hey?
You got
You
more
want me to
muscles.
do it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Take a picture of me. Because this is the first and last time you're ever
You
gonna...
are.
Huh?
Did you wait till 3?
No, I didn't make it till 3. I was having withdrawals.
Oh!
Do you need my power again? Oh god, do you want me to do it?
Let's just start with the bottom, shall we?
Matthias! Is he coming? Is he on his way?
Give up, guys! I got this far! I'm calling Matthias.
Let him do it. He knows. We've done the hard yards.
We jacked it up.
You keep the bolts. Are you there?
We did it.
Are you there? Do you put all the bolts on loosely?
How does he say my name?
As far as you can by hand. You got to like put them all in.
Did he just say my name?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, hold the tire. Oh, no.
It is.
Like push.
Tighten it.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Go around.
Like, feet. Use your feet.
I can't go anymore. Alright. And then we like take it down, did you say?
Jack it down.
Mama.
Yeah. Yeah, that cost $2. She's like, $2, thank you. I left my vlogging camera at home. But anyways, after we changed the tyre, which the spare tyre was fully flat, well, I was like going like so slow the whole way there to the tyre place. But it's just around the corner, so it's all good. Yes, bring the swivel bike in. Daddy needs to tighten the handle on that because it's starting to kind of unalign. If that means anything. Went and took it. He said he couldn't find anything wrong with it. So he put a new tube in or something, and there might have been pressure pushing on one side, so he kind of took it out and like evened it out to make it even. Something, I don't know, car talk. Anyways, done that. Went to Macca's, got lunch, fed the kids. What else did we do? Went back to Rebecca's house. She needed to get something.
Yeah, but I ended up eating.
Yeah, she was meant to grab chicken, but she never. And then went and picked up the kids from primary school and Shay from high school. That was our day, and I forgot my vlogging camera to vlog it. But where's my kids? Oh, okay. Now the spatula's gonna go flat on me now. Psh. Psh. Psh.
What is it?
All right. What's on the dinner menu tonight, grubby face? Leftover boil up, ladies and gentlemen. Camera's charged. She is looking hella messy today. She had something. She had like, I got an ice cream from the McCafe, and it had like chocolate swirls on the inside, so she was eating that, and it went everywhere. Yeah. And it just went everywhere. So, tomorrow I am free. I've got no kids, but it's still going to be a pretty busy day, so. No, they're not red. They're nice and awake.
Look at my red on my clothes.
No, you've got no red.